Hello, and here are our directions for The Castle in the Attic, Chapter 6. All right. Now, the first thing that we are going to want to do today is read Chapter 6. So, again, you can follow along as I read aloud, or you can read it independently right here. So, first thing, read Chapter 6. And our goal today and what you should be focusing on is character traits. So, we're going back to character traits. And be thinking of character traits for William's father and character traits for Sir Simon. So again, character traits for William's father and character traits for Sir Simon, because we are going to be comparing and contrasting those character traits. So read the chapter first, and then we're going to go to our chapter 6 assignment. All right. So you need to analyze character traits for Sir Simon. Okay, so think of character traits for Sir Simon. It says analyze character traits for Sir Simon. Again, that's a typo on my part. It should say analyze character traits for William's father. So I'll change that on the instructions by the time you get to it. And then you're going to complete the Venn diagram explaining two character traits each has that is different from the other, and two character traits which they have in common. Submit when complete. So you're going to use this Google slide with the Venn diagram again. So you probably remember the Venn diagram from a couple lessons ago that we used. Although the difference now is we're not just comparing and contrasting two characters and just how they're alike and they're different. We are focusing on how their character traits are alike and different. So remember, the character trait describes an internal part of that character. It makes up who that person is. So maybe brave would be a character trait. All right. Fearless kind of goes along with that. Yeah, those are character traits. And again, we're avoiding simple character traits like nice. That's boring, blah. We're not using nice as a character trait. But what you're doing, you're going to see you have this Venn diagram with the circle for Sir Simon and the circle for William's father. Now, I want you to you're going to give me two character traits of Sir Simon that you would say William's father does not have. Okay? So give me two character traits from Sir Simon that William's father does not have. And then I want you to tell me what the character trait is, and then also provide evidence from the story that lets you know that this character has that character trait. So if you're going to say Sir Simon is brave, well, you have to give evidence why you think he's brave or how you know he's brave. You'll do that for character trait 2 as well. And then you'll do for the same thing for William's father. You'll give me two character traits that you would say Sir Simon does not have, but William's father does have. All right, so these are two character traits that are just unique to William's father. And again, you'll give the character trait in the top box. Bottom box, you'll give the evidence, your specific evidence from the text. And then here in the middle where the circles cross, that's where you're going to give two character traits that you would say that they have in common. So two character traits that Sir Simon and William's father have in common. And you'll explain the evidence for each. Okay, well, why do you think Sir Simon is this and William's father is this? So again, they need to be the same there. But you have to use the text to make sure that matches up. You can't just make up something and say, well, it's because I think it is. No, you have to give the evidence from it. Okay, so maybe they're both. So again, these are character traits. So you can't say something like, well, they're both men. Well, no, that's not a character trait. Remember, a character trait is those internal qualities. Okay, so maybe they're both caring. So you could say maybe they're both caring and then explain why each one is caring. And then the second one. So total, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 character traits with 6 pieces of evidence. So that's 1 piece of evidence for each character trait. 2 separate for Sir Simon, 2 separate for William's father, and then 2 character traits that you would say they both have in common or the same. And then you'll submit this assignment when you are done. Again, when you're writing your evidence, make sure to use a complete sentence for that. Okay? You don't have to use a full sentence when you're writing the character trait down, you can just choose the word or words. But then for your evidence, make sure you do use a complete sentence. And you submit when you are complete. And as always, if you have any questions, just let me know as you get into it. Good luck.